my version of the Redneck air conditioner. I got this off of YouTube, so I can't say I invented it myself. But I had to make a couple of different things than the one I saw on YouTube. But here it is. You got some duct, ventilation, flexible pipe, because so that's so you can guide the air whichever way you want. Just a regular styrofoam cooler. That's the bottom of the cooler. Then you got the top of the cooler with regular 6-inch fan. Bought from Walmart for $10. Cut the hole out. Duct tape it. Then put this, obviously fill that with ice, water, a little bit of water. Put that on top. Plug the fan in. Fan blows the air from the outside down on top of the ice, which is cool in there. And the cold air comes out, whichever way you want to bend this. And there's your Redneck AC. Hope you enjoy.